Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to temporarily deactivate an Instagram account without waiting a week. First of all, open your Instagram app. Go to your profile and click on Menu on the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click on the Account Center on the top. Scroll down and click on Accounts and Account Settings. Go back and click on Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. You can deactivate or delete accounts according to your choice. Tap on Deactivate and Continue. For your security, re-enter your password to continue. Tap on Continue. Select a reason for deactivating and tap on Continue again. Click Deactivate Account to confirm temporary deactivation. That's how you can temporarily deactivate an Instagram account without waiting a week. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.